Alright, welcome to the video. Welcome to Evans teaching class. So we are going to be solving a question on Waec, and the year is 1994 Waec question, so on biology. So this is a Waec 1994 Waec on biology. So that's what we are going to be studying now. So we are going to solving it. So are all animals are dependent on green plants because plants A shelter them from excessive heat from the sun, B give them protection from enemies, C are used for building houses and furniture, D beautify their surroundings, E manufacture food for animals. Now they said all animals are dependent on green plants. You need to know that as green plants in a topic called food chain. This question is from food chain. These green plants, they are called the primary producer because the green plants they produce for we the consumers. Humans, we are consumers. Animals are consumers. Anything that feed on green plants is a consumer. So green plants are primary consumers, and they generate their energy from sunlight. They generate their energy from sunlight. So it means these green plants they produce vegetables, some of the food we eat as animals. Though you may say we are not animals, but according to biology, we classify you as a consumer, which is I'm not an animal. I don't know. So I'm human being. So sunlight, the green plant they generate sunlight. Now we animals, we consumers rather, we feed on the green plants. So it means we depend on it. And what is the main reason why we depend on green plants? The reason why we depend on green plants is because green plants they produce food through they manufacture food through the process called photosynthesis from sunlight. Photo means light. So green plants they manufacture their foods using sunlight. So we consumers we feed on this green plants, and all the animals they feed on these green plants. I hope you get. So all animals are dependent on green plants because plants manufacture their food for animals. That is the main answer. So their answer here is option E. It's not that they are beautifying our surroundings. That's not significant and that's meaningless. C are used. No, that's wrong. Give them protection from enemies. No. Shelter them. That's wrong. That's not really a valid reason. So our answer here is option E. Let's go to number 3. The scientists who discovered cell while examining a thin slice of pork under the microscope. This is very common, and that's why we call Robert Hooke like father. We may call Robert Hooke father of cell. So our answer here is Robert Hooke. It's not Anton van Leeuwenhoek. No, it's not Matthias Claydon. It's not Theodor Swan. Though Theodor Swan and Matthias Claydon they contribute to cell theory. They contribute to cell theory, including Robert Hooke. So these 3 people they contribute to cell theory. And Anton van Leeuwenhoek, what it actually do is that he invented microscope. So that's just it. But the main person that examined a thin slice of pork under the microscope was Robert Hooke. So our answer here is option A. Number 3, the 2 important physical processes involved in the absorption and transport of materials in plants are. So here this is a process called the transport of substance across cell membrane, across a cell, and the main process is osmosis and diffusion. It's not diffusion and plasmolysis, no, because plasmolysis is also part of some processes. That is, plasmolysis is outward movement of water, but that's not really cohesion. No, it's not cohesion. It's not the 2 most important physical processes. No, flaccidity and turgidity. No, it's not part. So, but the main one that is the most important. All these flaccidity and turgidity, they may be parts, but they are embedded under diffusion and osmosis. So our valid answer for option 3 is number 3 is option D, which is diffusion and osmosis. So that's for this video. If you are new to my Facebook page, I will urge you to follow, share the video, like and comment on this video so that we can share important contents like this. And if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, I will urge you to subscribe so so that you can have access to interesting video like this. So it's by following this instruction that I will be encouraged to do more on topics like this for free. So thank you for watching. God bless you.